The line behind me is specially designed for the perfume filling, capping, and the labeling. The product comes with a tube and also a cap, a metal cap, and a ring, and after that, cover. So the machine will do fitting, loading the caps, crimping, loading the ring, press, and press this cover. After that, labeling. Okay, the line started with the bottle feeder. Bottle feeder is a turntable. You just need to put a bottle here, move, put in. And after this is an air wash machine with air flowing into the bottle and then sucking the dust out from the machine. The system is over there flowing and the dust suction out from the machine to rubbish bag plus fabric bag after that. After washed, the bottle move to here is to fill. This one is the overflow filling machine. The volume is decided by a level. So whatever uh, we fill, how long we fill the bottle, the level is always the same because it's use a special designed filling nozzle to control the level. This one actually comes with a hopper on top, a tank on top, with a level meter here to control the pump to load, to reload liquid to the tank. So overflow system and the automatic loading system and the level filling volume. The whole system is automatic. Here is explosive cabinet is for some products with alcohol, the explosive explosion proof. This one is a capping machine. Capping machine comes with caps loading, load caps with tube. There is an automatic feed caps and load here. And after that, normally the tube is longer, so we put a pre-crimp station here to fix the caps to the bottom mouse. And after that, with a crimper to lock the caps to the bottom mouse. After that is a ring loader, load the ring to the bottom mouse. It's also automatic feeding from the vibration bowl. And then press this ring to the bottom. After this is also explosion proof cabinet. After this is a press station to press the cover on. The cover sometimes comes with a special shape, so we normally manually load and press on. After the capping machine is a labeling machine. It's actually the bottom labeler. It's put labels from the bottom to the bottom of the bottle. It's comes with a belt. The belt hold the bottle from the side to make sure there is a space on the bottom to get labels on. And then collecting table. So the whole lines from washing, from feeding, automatic feeding bottles, automatic feeding taps, uh, and wash, feeding, tapping, labeling, and collection. So normally, two operators is okay to run the whole line. The space, total length of this line is about 10, it's about 10 meters. So it doesn't need much space. 10 by 2 is okay for the whole lines. The speed for this line is about 25 pieces bottles per minute. The limited speed is the catching machine because the long tube it takes time to load. Uh, that takes a lot of time. So if we needed to increase the speed, we can double the stations on the catching machine. For the washing, filling, we also can increase or add some more nozzles to increase the speed. So for the current one, it's 1500 per hour, but we can double it with more stations on. That means around 3,000 bottles per hour.